Hi! In this video I will show you how to install FORTNITE and create an account on your iPhone. So, open Safari. And type fortnite.com/iOS. Click on App Store and choose Open. Click on Get. And click on Install. Now you have installed FORTNITE on your iPhone. So, let's start to download the game. This will take some time because the size of FORTNITE is 3.45 gigabytes. Click on Tap to start. If you don't have an account yet, click at No to create one. Now it's time to create your account. So, fill in your name and username. The hardest thing can be to find an available username. And click Create Account. Click on Close. And then on Play. Wait for FORTNITE to start a match. There are now 59 players in queue. Wait for server. And now you're in. And that's it.
Thank you for watching this video. If you get the help you were looking for, thumbs up. If you want more help in the future, please subscribe to this channel, because then you will find me next time you want help here on YouTube.